This 2026 Thor Motor Coach A.C.E. 32B is a Class A RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Thor Motor Coach is 33 feet 5 inches in length and features Sleep 7, Slideout, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, oven, water heater, LP detector, awning, TV, air conditioning, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk beds, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2026 Thor Motor Coach A.C.E. 32B is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a 7.3 L V8 engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.